We didn't really was looking at the score. We just played basketball. We tried to keep the energy. That's why we pretty much use up everybody just so we'll have the same energy. Again, that's just who we are in what we do. And again, we just try to fight our own selves to really challenge it to the next level.
Typical topics. Tutoy, your first year in the game, right? You got 15 points and plus 20. So, ano masasabi mo na yun nga, binigyan kayo ng chance ni Coach Topex sa court and then nag-deliver ka naman. What can you say na sa una mong laro at ano pa yung ipapakita mo in the future for Lasal?
Yun lang yung lagi lang sinasabi ni Coach sa akin na laruin ko lang yung game ko every game. Binabalik ko lang yung tiwalang binibigay niya sa akin kaya pag sinasa niya ako 100% ako ginagawa ko yung trabaho.
Thank you, Lloyd. And to Henry, you got 11 points, 16 rebounds, and plus 22 on the court. So, what can you say about your performance today and the trust given you by Coach Topex? What can you say?
Starting the game, I was out of rhythm. Coach Topex told me that I'll get my rhythm soon. So I just kept fighting, playing defense, doing the things that I can while I can't to score. So just do other things. Later on in the game, we scored in the game in the first position.
Okay, thank you, Henry. Okay, the floor is open for questions.
We always learn from our past experiences. When we played Adamson in the Philoel, we were ahead most of the time, and then there was a chance that we kind of relaxed, and that gave Adamson all the opportunity to really get close to us. So we learned from that. That was the reminder for the team coming into this game that this Adamson team is a scary team. You know, they just came off a victory against FEU, so their morale are high, and we came off just a close game. So we want to make sure that we don't fall into that same trap that we had before. So we just said that we just focus on play this game per quarter. We want to make sure we limit the production of Adamson, and just what we did. We weren't looking at the whole picture of the game, but we're looking at quarter per quarter. So we want to bring in the same energy as we had. We kind of messed up in the second quarter. We gave them 20+ points. So that was a reminder for us.